in finding some information.
I also don't know much about them. So let's take help from classes 6 and 7 and let's see how they help us in finding the information.
Namaskar. I, Aryabhat, I am a mathematician, had a humble beginning during Gupta dynasty. I born on 30th June 475 Anno Domini, breaking all the religious stereotypes and social stigma at that period of time, and I became my first Indian mathematician and a scientist. I am also famous with the name Father of Astrology. I have invented zero on 5th century. I have discovered the value of pi, which is 22/7, and I have used zero in decimal system. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Namaste, I am Pramod, an Indian mathematician and an astronomer. I was born in Vilamala in Gujarat, Assam. In present day Birmal in Gujarat, around 598 CE, during the Chawar dynasty, ruler Vyagramu. My father is Mr. Sri Vishnugupta and my field and career are math and astronomy. My contributions towards math are by providing the formula for cyclic quadrilateral. I am the first person to discuss the quadrilateral with rational sides. My contributions towards the astronomy are by providing the measurement of heavenly body over time. Conjunctions, measurement of solar and lunar eclipse. Nowadays people don't remember me, and those who remember me only for zero. I have also written a book named Brahmaputra Siddhant in Sanskrit words and no numbers, because in Sanskrit we can write big letters in small words. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Brahma. Namaskar, I am Brahma. I was born in 598 during the Chawar dynasty in the area of the cyclic quadrilateral. My contribution to the geometry are significant. Thank you.
You might not know me, but I am the greatest mathematician and astronomer who discovered gravity 500 years before Newton did. Yes, you guessed it right. I am Bhaskacharya. I was born in Vijaypura in 12th century. My future contributions in mathematics are decimals, algebra, fractions, and arithmetic problems. I also invented figurative numericals for maths. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Harish Chandra. I was born on 11 October 1923 in Kanpur city. I am an Indian-American mathematician who did fundamental work in representation theory, especially harmonic analysis and semi-simple Lie groups. I am known for my Harish-Chandra C function, main character formula, Harish-Chandra homomorphism, Harish-Chandra isomorphism, Harish-Chandra module, Harish-Chandra regularity theorem, Harish-Chandra linear function. I have also got award of the Fellow of the Royal Society, the Gold Prize in Algebra in 1954, and Srinivasa Ramanujan Medal. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Narendra Krishnan. I was born in 1956 in Gwalior. I am known for Karmakar's algorithm. I was in the field of mathematics and computer science. I am listed as an ISI highly cited researcher. I invented one of the first probabilic binomial time algorithm for linear programming. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Anyone who thinks the sky is the limit has a limited imagination. Me as Srinivas Ramanujan, I was born in 1887 in Tamil Nadu. I had no formal training rather than studying on my own. I received a degree from Cambridge. I doesn't have maths as fascinate me. I wrote 7 books and got 8 gold medals. An equation for me has no meaning unless it would be a lot of work. Thank you.
An equation means nothing to me unless it expresses the thought of God. Hello everyone, I am Mr. Srinivasa Ramanujan, one of the greatest mathematicians. I was born on 22nd December 1887 in Iran. I am a prodigy in mathematics. I had no formal education in pure maths and yet I made significant contribution in the field of mathematics. I had significant contribution in the field of infinite series, number theories, analysis and fractions. I even provided solution to the mathematical problems which are deemed to be unsolvable by other mathematicians. I faced failure in my early years and also suffered financially, but managed to attend the University of Cambridge with the help of Mr. G.H. Hardik, who was quite impressed with my work. A peer-reviewed scientific journal, the Ramanujan Journal, was established to publish all mathematical work. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. But I am Srinivasa Ramanujan, a renowned mathematician in the 20th century. When it comes to mathematics, the field I studied, I was insane, or you can say I was very fanatical due to the fact that I had a belief that solving any derivative would bring me more closer to the supreme power. I was so keen about it that at the only age of 16, I made my own theorems. Talking about my contributions are the cryptic theory, the theory that made the scientists easier to understand the black holes, Ramanujan's pi, that gave a near to exact approximation of pi, Ramanujan's theta, and the infinite series that help the scientists to study in the field of analytical number theory, etc. I showed this out to a Nobel mathematician, G.H. Hardik, who was standardized as it was considered unsolvable. I started to cooperate with him at the Trinity College, where the name gets only by the discovery of phenomenon gravity by the Isaac Newton. At the end, I want to finally say that mathematics is like an art where we get lost in our world, irrespective to what's happening outside. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Raman Parimala. Born on 21st November 1948, I am an Indian mathematician known for my contributions to algebra. I have achieved many firsts in the field of mathematics. One of the examples is non-trivial quadratic space over an affine plane, an achievement which is said to have surprised the experts in the field. I am a PhD holder from the University of Mumbai and an Arts and Science Distinguished Professor of Mathematics at the Emory University and a Professor at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. I have been a fellow member of American Mathematical Society, Indian National Science Academy, etc. I have achieved many prizes such as TWAS Prize and Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. Lastly, I would like to say, becoming a mathematician is full of surprises, rewards and learning. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Shakuntala Devi, a mathematician from India. I am popularly known as Human Computer. I was born on 4th November 1929 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. My father left the service and took me at the road shows. This will build my ability of calculations. In my free time, I like to write some stories and some novels. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shakuntala Devi. I am a great mathematician. You can also call me as a human computer. I am even fastening computers in calculations. Because of my such a great talent, I earned a version in the Guinness Book of World Records in 1980. I am a multi-talented woman. I am an astrologer and a writer. Today, as there are such easy methods to simplify numerical calculation is just because of me, because I introduced them. Mathematics is our daily life usables and our partner.
symbols written on paper. Thank you and happy Mathematics Day, all of you.
There's nothing you can do without mathematics. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Hello, I am Shakuntala Devi. You may know me as a human computer, and yes I am. I love having fun with children. I was born in 1992 in Bengaluru in a slum area. I was also known as a human computer because I was faster than calculations. My father was a circus worker, so he could not afford my monthly school fee that was of rupees 2. But rather than that, my father taught me everything that a teacher does. So let's have a quick mathematical calculation. 85 into 85. You may find these problems very hard and difficult to solve, but it's actually not. 85 into 85. First multiply 8 into 8 is 1, that is 8 into 9, that's 72. Now take the two 5s from the unit place and multiply them, that's 25. Put the two of them together and answer is 7225. That's it. Happy Mathematics Day and Jai.
Hello, my name is Neela Gupta. I am an Indian female mathematician. I am a professor at the Statistics and Mathematics Unit of the Indian Statistical Institute ISI, Kolkata. My primary fields of interest are commutative algebra and affine algebraic geometry. I have won the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in the category of mathematical science, the highest honor in India in the field of science and technology. I have also won the Indian National Science Academy Young Scientist Award for the solution I proposed to the Zariski cancellation problem in positive characteristics. Recently, I have been awarded the Abdus Salam ICTP's Ramanujan Prize for Young Mathematician from Developing Countries. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sujata Ramdoli. I am born in 3rd May 1962. I have worked in the areas of algebraic theory of quadratic forms, arithmetic geometry of algebraic varieties, the study of motifs and non-commutative Iwasawa theory. My initial work was in algebraic theory of quadratic forms. Then I went on to the work of arithmetic geometry of algebraic varieties. I have substantial contribution towards Iwasawa theory. My implications are in the fields of complex geometry, topology, number theory and cryptography. I am also awarded the ICTP Ramanujan Award by International Center for Theoretical Physics in 2006. I am also awarded the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in 2004. I was the first Indian to win ICTP Ramanujan Award. Thank you.
Good morning and gentlemen. I am Sujata Rangaran. I am an algebraic number theorist known for my work on Iwasawa theory. I was born in 1962 on 23rd May. I was raised in Bangalore and currently I am 59 years old. I was the first Indian to win the ICTP Ramanujan Prize in 2006. I was also awarded the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize in 2004. Currently, I am a mathematics professor in the University of British Columbia, which is in Canada. Thank you.
So hello, hi, good morning and Jai Hind. So I'm Radha Kesar. I'm an Indian mathematician known for my research in the representation theory of finite groups. I'm a professor at City University of London and in 2009 won Warwick Prize of London in Mathematical Society. I grew up in Chandigarh, India. I studied math at Punjab University, graduating with Bachelor of Science in 1991. From 1991 to 1995, I was a graduate student at the Ohio State University in USA, where I obtained a PhD under supervision of Professor Ronald Simon. I also wrote a book in 2011 known as Fusion Systems in Algebra and Topology. Thank you.
Hi everyone, do you like math? I hope you would be like me. So, I am Radha Kesar and I am an Indian mathematician. I was born in the year 1950 and recently I am 72. I am known for representation of theory in infinite groups and I got the Warwick Prize 2009 for London Mathematical Society. Remember the slogan said by me, if you don't change your bad habits on time, it will change you.